A 3D printing creator designed this fun gadget. The designer named Shura made a pointer floating clock, which is very cool. This is already his 4th version. The dial is completely hollow, and the 2 hands are also suspended. The only connection point is connected to the head of the minute hand. It's very cool. This design is very wonderful. He open-sourced all the models for the project and the code, so I quickly downloaded the model. And I also printed one out. After making it, I found that this is more interesting than I thought. Look, the hour hand is held in place by magnetism. This is the front. Then let's turn it over and take a look. The whole thing is hollow. And the hour hand is at the center point of the minute hand. It's actually a free-moving thing. It relies on the gear ring, a magnet to hold it. There is a magnet on this hour hand. There are 2 magnets inside to hold it. It's very fun. There are 2 gears inside. And this structure here is also very wonderful. A stepper motor, a very small stepper motor. And this screw rod here controls the hour hand and 2 gears with different sizes, which can change its speed and then control the minute hand. The method of adjusting the time is also very simple. It's like this. We'll just set it up like this. Now it is a test code. It makes the stepper motor to keep rotating to reflect the movement of the hour hand and minute hand. If we flash the official code, we can let it to perform very accurately, the accurate time. This whole work is very wonderful. This creator has a really unique mind. What was in his head? The website is, I'll type it on the screen for you. I recommend you to download it. If you have a 3D printer, you must print it out and try it out. It's very interesting. The process of making this. It's so much better than just watching and talking. I think we can learn from this to get some inspiration. Okay, that's all for this episode.